What can be said about the discovery of pottery according to the fire pit theory? Where do we have this reference? It is the second paragraph that refers to the fire pit theory. So let's look at the answer choices in this context. Answer choice A, to suggest that Neolithic man understood how to shape a mud ball and fire it to make a container. In the context of the fire pit theory, the second paragraph states that subsequent experimentation of making and firing pinched clay pots. So it can be inferred that this experiment relates to making clay pots from a mud ball and firing them to make a container. So this answer choice aligns with the fire pit theory. A good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. A special note here, the word pinched here indicates that pottery was made by pinching mud balls to make containers. So this word can act as a clue. Let's move on to the next answer choice. Answer choice B, how to seal holes in storage containers using soil coatings. The second paragraph refers to baskets having holes, that is not having impervious bottom, and coatings of clay, and these references are in the context of the basket theory. So answer choice B, which relates to sealing holes and soil coatings, would relate to the basket theory and not the fire pit theory. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice C, took place before the discovery according to other theories. The passage mentions three theories but doesn't suggest that a particular theory took place before the other theories. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice D, did not take place in North America. The second paragraph refers to the Indians in North America in the context of the cooking theory, and this reference is not in the context of the fire pit theory. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice E, spontaneously took place in different places around the same time. The passage mentions that the discovery of pottery took place in different places around the same time, but that reference is in the context of the discovery of pottery. This suggestion is not made with respect to the fire pit theory. So this answer choice can be eliminated. A is the correct answer.